Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to place an image on top of another image in Webflow. The clean, professional way, without anything breaking on different screen sizes. The first thing you want to do is drag a div block onto your canvas. This is going to act as your image container. Give it a class, something like image wrapper, and set the position to relative. This is super important, because it tells Webflow that anything inside this div with absolute positioning should stay locked to this container. Next, drag in your base image. This is the background image or the main image you want to use. You don't need to change anything here. Just leave it on the default static positioning so it sits normally inside the div. Now add your second image, the one you want to place on top. Once you've added it, set the position to absolute. The moment you switch it to absolute, you'll be able to freely place it anywhere inside the wrapper. From there, adjust the top, bottom, left, or right values to position it exactly where you want it. If you want it perfectly centered, you can set top and left to 50% and then apply a transform of translate -50%. -50% closing parenthesis. Also, if you ever notice the top image slipping behind the first one, simply increase the Z index to make sure it always stays on top. And that's it. You now have a clean, responsive image overlay in Webflow that works on all screen sizes and is super easy to maintain. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Webflow tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a full advanced Webflow layering guide. See you in the next one.